Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So this is our prediction for yesterday. We talked about AUD USD giving us a bullish move, and this is exactly what AUD USD did. It gave us a bullish move that we predicted for. So that is why if you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on the next update that will be dropping. And the next update is going to be a very crucial update that you will not want to miss out on that update, right? Which is very crucial. So click on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so once I drop an update instantly. Now this is the AUD USD that we were predicting for our market did. You can see, if you've not watched it, you can go back to watch it, which is on the 10th. The analysis was done on the 10th of December. We were anticipating bullish move, right? That was our anticipation, and markets eventually pushed up and gave us a new high. Now, reason is that if you take a look at this, I've done the analysis before. I'll just do some recap so we will understand what AUD USD is doing. So let's take a look at this our trend. By the way, this is our current trend, and this is what market is doing. So as a trade trader, you will know that before you take a trade, you would want to know your trend for that trade. So this is very clear that we are in an uptrend. Market is giving us that strong bullish move, and it is in an uptrend move. Now take a look at this movement here. So we add this high. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually, pushed up and give us new high. Here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again and give a new high. Here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again, give us a new high. Here comes the higher low. Market has now pushed up again and formed a new high. You can clearly see that this is a trend to the upside. So we are anticipating for an higher low to be made on AUD USD. So once the higher low plays out finish, then we can now start looking for another buy that will push up to form a new higher high. So basically, for day traders, wait for your pullback to be played. So wait for your pullback to play out, which is your higher low. Once your pullback plays out, which is your higher low, then you can now start anticipating for a new buy that will form a higher high. So wait for your higher low, then wait for your buy setup. Once you get your buy setup, then you can open and form thereby AUD should push up to form a new higher high. So subscribe so you will not miss out on the next update.